Thank you for attending my poster session. I'm Dr. Scott Butler of Georgia College and State University in Milledgeville, Georgia. The title of our poster is Using Focus Groups to Assess Why Health Science Majors Chose a Public Liberal Arts University. The co-authors and investigators for my study are Avery Hulseth, an undergraduate health science major, Dr. Johnny Moore, a professor of public health, Ms. Helen Dupree, lecturer of public health, Dr. Joe Spalding, professor in exercise science, and Dr. Corey Claxton, professor of nursing. For many years, I've been very interested in why students chose my particular institution, particularly those that are health science majors. Georgia College and State University is the designated public liberal arts university in the state of Georgia. We have a very large health science program, and it's very successful. We have undergraduate programs in nursing, exercise science, public health, and minors in public health and global health studies. As I mentioned, I became very interested in why students chose our school and also a little bit about their perspectives of the liberal arts experience. To capture this, our team decided to conduct focus groups during normal class time in academic courses, including those that are upper division within the College of Health Sciences. We selected 6 courses, including those in nursing, exercise science, and public health. On the day of the data collection, which we set aside an hour for each focus group, we ended up doing 35 different focus groups across the 6 courses. Each focus group had 4 to 6 students, and we had 162 total students participate. On the day of the data collection, 100% students decided to participate, and selected professors offered a small amount of extra credit. The participants were predominantly women, which matches the demographics in our academic programs. Our primary focus group question was, why did you decide to attend Georgia College? We also asked students their perspectives of the liberal arts mission, whether it played a role in some of their future endeavors. All of our procedures and methods were approved by the campus ethics IRB. After the results were collected, the students recorded their responses on a worksheet, and in groups, the researchers analyzed the data using an inductive approach to assess emerging themes. In groups, we were compared for reliability and validity, and there was a high degree of consistency. All final results were approved by all study members. Results of why did you choose our school included campus aesthetics and town aesthetics. Our town is very much known for being a very beautiful campus. The strength of the athletic program, diversity in education, such as having multiple cohorts or pre-professional programs for those in exercise science, having a nice atmosphere that is walkable and is considered safe, having a lot of extracurricular activities such as Greek life or having a thriving downtown. A lot of students said that living in a small town was preferable, but they also believed that it was nice to be fairly close to other larger towns such as Macon or Atlanta. Another theme was having a very strong personal experience, such as having friends at the university or having a legacy that family members had attended. A reoccurring theme was price. Students in Georgia get the Hope Scholarship, and our campus is considered highly affordable in terms of tuition and living expenses. Reputation, academic reputation came up quite a bit, and that could be reputation of a specific department or the university as a whole. And many students preferred a small size in terms of campus enrollment. Second, we asked the college students, the participating focus group members, what does the liberal arts mean to you, and did it play a role in your decision? Some students said the liberal arts meant well-rounded. That was the most common phase in defining liberal arts. A lot of students said the liberal arts didn't necessarily play a role in their decision, but some retrospectively said it was a perk. And others said that liberal arts didn't play a role at all, and in some cases that required them to take courses that they deemed unnecessary. Next, we asked the focus groups, what do you plan to do after graduation? There were a variety of potential options that students were interested in. A lot of them were going on to graduate programs such as nursing, public health, physical therapy, and occupational therapy. Some were going into medical sales, one a firefighter, some coaching, and even some don't plan to use a degree and be stay-at-home parents. Students plan to participate in the workforce in a variety of clinical and prevention type settings. The goal of our study was to identify initial themes related to why students decided to attend our school. Our next step is the team took the results and created a new survey, which we are currently conducting an assessment, large-scale assessment of students at our college. Overall, in conclusion, the results help us identify a variety of factors that influence why health science majors chose our school. And eventually we will have additional larger scale data. If you have any questions regarding our poster or our results, please feel to reach out to me, and thank you very much for your time.